This is how I've been able to generate over $500 online. So I've been working online for the last 5 years. I started as a student back in campus where I was pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Economic and Statistics. So while in campus, I was looking for a way to make extra income as a student just to cater for my needs. So instead of just waiting for my parents to send me some pocket money, I decided when I was in my third year to venture into online business. And like most of you have seen on Facebook, people advertising on how to make money online. I went there and asked someone who was advertising that opportunity on how to make money online. I was curious, but before that, I was always looking for a way to make money online for free. Unfortunately, I was wasting a lot of time looking for ways to make money without spending any dime. But later I realized that I was wasting a lot of time because most of those methods were skirmish or they were just uh, looking for clicks for them to generate money. So there was no actual way to make money with the free methods. So I decided to venture into an online business. So to join the online business, by then I spent around 10,000 to join. So unfortunately, the person who introduced me to the online business didn't really help me because I had just told him you have scammed me because I was just ignorant. I didn't know anything. But because I had changed my mind, I decided this achilia pesa yangu iende bure. So I started following, copying what he was doing. Just post Facebook, nini na nini, learned about the marketing. What I'll spend most of my time learning the skills. I didn't care about money at that time. So I just invested in skills. So what I learned that when you invest in something, there's always an urge to learn the skills. But if you haven't invested anything in either a course or starting a business, then most of the time you'll be wasting doing nothing. So you have to dedicate into something. So if you want to start an online business, make sure that you invest something, either in skills. And first it's skill. Learn what you are venturing into. Be the one, be committed because no one else will help you generate money online if you are not willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to put in the work for things to happen. Spend at least the first 1 to 3 months learning the skills and money will flow to you. So currently I'm into affiliate marketing. I also do guide people on how to make money online through different methods like affiliate marketing, network marketing, gaming, and article writing. There's also something called course writing, where you write article for different organization and website, and you'll be able to make money online. So you want to get started, make sure that you DM, hit the bio in order to get started.